Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Eventbrite with Simpletix. The first thing that I'm going to share with you are the main differences, then I'm going to compare pricing plans, and then I will show you how you can easily create your own event on both of these apps. Now, what are the main differences? Both of these apps are really great, but I think Simpletix got more advantages. The first one is that you're going to get paid instantly, so you can easily connect your Simpletix account with Stripe or Square. And let's say someone is going to buy a ticket, you're going to get paid instantly. On the other hand, with Eventbrite, you're going to get paid only when the event ends. The second thing with Simpletix, you're going to have an onboarding session of 45 minutes. That's something you don't have with Eventbrite. With Simpletix, you're going to have also the phone support, and you have kept fees. So what it means is that now we're going to transition to pricing plans. With Simpletix, let's say someone is going to pay a ticket for $1,000. You're going to pay only $9.99. On the other hand, with Eventbrite, you're going to have $62.50 because they don't have the capped fees for the high selling tickets. Now, both got a 0.79 plus 2%. Same thing with Eventbrite right here. We can clearly see. And both are going to offer you the free for free events. So that's a nice thing. Also, you're going to have option to have the seating charts, again, both for Simpletix and Eventbrite. And also the ticket scanning is available again for both Simpletix and Eventbrite. Now, how we can actually create an event on both of these platforms. So let me show you how it works. With both Simpletix and Eventbrite, it's pretty simple. I just come here and click create event in Simpletix. And let me show you how it works. So I'm going to add an event name. Let's say it's going to be YouTube seminar. You can then choose a event type. Let's say I'm going to choose the seminar or talk, then event category and subcategory. You can also choose if it's going to be the online or webinar. Then you can have the venue name. I can click here new venue and add address, city, country, type zone. I got it already pre-created, so I will choose what I created here. And then you have to add a description of it. So I can write here YouTube seminar on how you can make money on YouTube. And then I'm going to add an event image like here, and then click done. Then I would press next here. And then you can have what type of event is this, one-time event or schedule multiple days time or flex pass. So let's say this is going to be the one-time event. And let's say it's going to be a few days from now. And I can easily choose the start date, start time, end date, and end time. Let's say it's going to be 1 p.m. Then, is this a reserved seating? If so, you can easily click yes here or no. And then the customers can easily pick their own seats. Then I would click next here. I have the ticket type if it's going to be free, paid, donation. So let's say it's going to be the paid. Ticket name, YouTube ticket. Quantity, let's say 1, price 100. I can easily click settings here and I can add a ticket description, by who it can be purchased, and then you can add how many tickets are going to be per order. Of course, you can choose if you want to absorb a fee, or you can pass ticketing fees and credit card processing fees to the buyer. And you're always going to find the fee right here. So when you're going to have it, you can also choose when should ticket sales start, immediately, or you can schedule it on a time. And when you're going to have it, click done. Then what you have to do is the final step, connect it with your Stripe account. And that's pretty much it. Now on the left side, you're going to have the event details, times and tickets, attendee questions. And you can of course edit all of these. So you can always edit it as much as you need. That's something that I really like. Then you're going to have like the order management, where you can manage the attendees. And you're going to, on the bottom left, have like social, or in creating a promo code. On the top, you would see all orders. And you would find all the orders right here. And that's pretty much how it works with Simpletix. Really simple to do that. So with Eventbrite, it's also pretty simple. So when I'm going to come here, I can click on events and create event right here. And let's say this is going to be the YouTube seminar. Organizer, then I can choose a type. Let's say conference, business, and then I can add a tags. I can save and continue. And now you can easily choose if it's going to be the online event venue to be announced. And then you can choose again the date and time. Really similar comparing to Simpletix. Now I can upload the image here. So same thing. Then I can add a summary. YouTube on this conference, we will learn how to make money on YouTube. And then I can add a description of it. And when I'm going to have it, I can click again, save and continue. So I attend the event page. Then I can easily like link to another provider or add a Zoom. That's something you can add here. For tickets, we can edit the tickets here on Eventbrite, and you can have it paid, free, or donation. Name, let's say this is going to be YouTube ticket. Available quantity, let's say 100, price 100. And you have options to absorb the fees. If no, the buyer total 107, or you can absorb it. Then you can have the sales start and sales end, and you're gonna have the advanced settings here. Also, both of these platforms in this regard are similar. Then I would click save here. And then I would just have country and currency here. And you can have the promo codes, add-ons, all of that. And then I would click publish here, and I can easily publish it. Same thing with Eventbrite. You can have on the left side orders, where you would find orders. And that's pretty much about both of these platforms. So as you can see, when you want to create the event, both on Eventbrite and Simpletix is pretty simple. In my opinion, Simpletix is a winner here, only because you're going to get paid instantly. You have the onboarding session, better customer service. And that's something I really like. And the capped fee is a really great thing. If you want to have like for, let's say, $400, $500, $1,000 of seminars events. So that's pretty much for me. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.